What is up everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're back talking about Bitcoin, and it's actually performing exactly how we said it would in yesterday's video. We can see here we talked about this prime level being a key liquidation area for a lot of traders, and even though we did push down today, we cleared 55.5k and we are looking quite bearish. We managed to pump back up and hit this exact level, which we talked about being a potential good area for short entries and just to overall sell some positions. We hit at around midnight to 9 p.m, somewhere around there, and then we hit it again today. Now, if we take a look at the heat maps quickly over here, so if we take a look at the 24-hour heat map, we can see overall we had that crash. On the higher time frame heat map, you'll see the liquidations that we cleared, but now on the short term, we have now essentially created more liquidations at around 58.8 thousand, and we're slowly starting to establish some just under 56,000, which is just above the previous low we had today. So the market is still quite volatile. There is still quite a lot of volume in the market from a lot of traders entering shorts and longs. If we take a look at the slightly higher time frame heat map of 1 week, we can see all of the liquidations that we cleared and how long it actually took for these liquidations to build up before we cleared them. Now, there's some liquidations being built up just above the previous highs that we had here, so we could potentially look to clear those before we see any liquidations build up below. I know on a previous software that I used to get some liquidation heat maps, we had a lot of liquidations at around 47,000. But yeah, overall, I think slightly the sentiment has shifted from majorly bearish to slightly neutral just because of these liquidations that are building up here. But we will see how they react and how much they actually build up, because sometimes we do just end up having a lot of liquidations dissolve without actually clearing them. But again, we'll have to see. It looks like we are going to keep building up and maybe build past 500 million in liquidations. If we do, then it's highly possible that we will clear these liquidations first before seeing any major move down. We also need to take a look at the SPX, which we talked about yesterday. We can see the SPX, or the SPY, closed below this major support level which we talked about. Again, if it closed below, we said that it will be heading lower first to clear this fair value gap right here at around $5,463. So it still has a bit of way to fall. It's down 0.2% today, quite an average day for the S&P. Not any sort of major move that we had on Tuesday. If we take a look at the Nasdaq and the DJI, again, they're moving fairly similarly. So the main thing to look for on Bitcoin will be these liquidations, and again, it will just be watching what we have right here on the charts. Right now we are dumping. Again, we just have some fair value gaps here in between, which we will probably fill by the time you're watching this, and we'll probably just be consolidating. But again, huge volatility in the market, so be careful with your trades. You don't want to get stopped out before your actual move happens. You can just see how big these wicks are and how big this wick is on the daily today. A lot of indecision in the market. So the best advice I could possibly give is just to probably hold out on trading for today, tomorrow, and maybe even the entire week, just to see as how we consolidate. If we consolidate, that is, because there is a lot of indecision right now. Now, if you did find this helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Also, check out the Discord down below where you can get all of my trades. You can even copy my exact crypto long-term portfolio as well. Also, if you need a place to trade, make sure to check out all of the exchange links down below. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all tomorrow. Goodbye, guys.